Hi, we are Team Hack Overflow and our website name is Smart Education. It's an e-learning website. I am Aranya Sharma and my teammate is Udip Shrivastava. The COVID-19 has resulted in schools and colleges shut all across the world. As a result, education has changed dramatically with this recent rise of e-learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and all digital platforms. Our project provides students with various courses to opt for and continue their learning. Students can also give quiz and test their skills. Now let me give you a website tour. This is the About Us page of our website. The Contact Us page comprises of a contact form where the user can contact the respective authorities. The Inquiry page consists of an inquiry form where the user can get their queries and doubts solved. The Career page comprises of a career form where the student can get the correct career advice and which course they should opt for. This is the registration form where by submitting this form the student can get their application to the admin, and after submitting this form the student will receive a mail like this: your details are received and will contact you soon. Now the admin can log in. This is the admin page. The home page of admin consists of all the details of the admin. The courses page comprises of all the courses. Admin can add new course, modify a course, delete a course. A particular course consists a list of all the questions wherein the admin can add question, modify question and delete question. These questions are for the skill test. Active student consists of list of students whose application has been approved by the admin. Inactive students will consist of list of students which admin can inactivate the students in case of any discrepancies. The application page consists of all the applications which students have filled during the time of registration. If admin wants, he can delete it, or if he clicks on activate, that user will receive a mail regarding the user ID and password through which they can log in. The display page will display all the career request and inquiry request. Feedback also, if admin wants, he can reply to this particular user. Admin can edit the profile, change password and log out. Now student can also log in their respective accounts whose application has been approved. This will be the home page of the student, which will contains all the detail of student and their fee detail also. My course page will consist the list of all the pages which students have opted for. Study material will consist of study material and course video. This is the study material with all covering all the topics. These are the course videos. A student can join another course. The result page will consist of all the list of results of the test that student have given till now. Now this is the skill test page. Every time the student will open this page, he will receive a different set of questions in random order. Now after submitting this test, result will be displayed in this pattern where are total question, result, total marks, unanswered, wrong answered, correct answer, percentage and nil. The student can edit his profile, change password and log out. So this was our project. Thank you so much.